ball between Kinapundan Salcido Betis.
Yes, 2 points.
Malo.
Pass to jersey number 12. 15 to make a shot.
Agaw by Terencio to Duran. Duran
Jersey
number
number
1
1. Pass to number 9.
to number 9.
Hanap din ang papasahan. Pasa sa buwak. Out of bounds.
Stats. Banbay Dangko to Abalorio.
7 minutes and 15 remaining time for the first period of the game. Pass to jersey number 12. Right into the hook. Pass skill.
Tubagon.
Jersey number 32. Backs it up.
Yakit number 47.
Yes,
Yes,
that
for
is good.
Yakit
Exactly 7 minutes.
2 points. Duran.
Jersey number 1. That is Duran. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Biyong.
Yung
Balik dito kay Duran. For the open shot. Medyo kinapos.
post.
Yes. That is good.
Follow up by Terencio.
Biyong. Ay, Terencio.
Yakit. Jump ball. Yakit.
Abalario. No.
Good. Banbay Pagad. Ay Kahipo.
Mr. Kihipo. Pass to Apuga. Nowhere to go. Bigay dito kay Duran. 15 to make a shot.
Terencio.
Yes. Using the glass.
Gumagana pa mga pabording. Terencio. Stepping on the line. On the inbound. Terencio to Duran.
Pass to Biyong.
Biyong. O Chris. Naagaw ni Sir Kelvio. Last touch. Biyong.
Pass sa gilid.
Edwin. To Dangko. To Yakit.
10 to shoot.
May foul. Kahipo.
Okay. That is
First throw. Yes. Second throw. Basket again. 2 point by Yakit.
5 minutes and 52. Mr. Duran.
Duran.
Holding the ball. Pass sa gilid. Balik dito kay Duran. 15 to make a shot.
Kahipo. Biling.
Traveling violation. Minutes and 35.
Score 4 kontra 6. Kinapundan.
15 to make a shot.
Sir Kelvio. To Dangko.
10 to shoot.
To Edwin.
Triple attempt.
3 points.
Double.
Wala.
Mr. Bago, no 3 points.
May foul. Nang tira, wala. By Dangko. Pangalawang tira, wala pa rin. Laban by Chris Abuga. To Terencio, to Duran.
That's the jersey number 1.
Agaw ni Kahipo.
Terencio, may whistle na
foul
referee.
si Abalorio. Walang tira. Wala. Pangalawang tira. Wala pa rin. Dangko.
Jersey number 8. Pass to Abolorio. Crossing the glass. No. 4 minutes and 55 remaining time for the first period of the game. 15 to make a shot.
Kahipo. Yes.
Yes. 2 points.
2 points by Kahipo.
Running score. 8-4.
8-4. Kinapundan.
Kinapundan. Pasa sa gilid. Pass to Bago.
Bagon.
Yes.
Yes.
2 points. 4 minutes and 25.
Yes. Abuga.
Running scores. 6-8. 2 points lead. Kinapunta. 15 to make a shot. Sa baba. Nag-pick. Terencio. Di nakalusot. Kuha dito na Valerio.
Foul. Foul Duran.
Number 1. Holding foul.
Substitution. Kahipo out. Anyano in. Danko.
4 minutes on 5.
Valorio.
10 to make a shot. Laki.
Wala.
No good.
Substitution. Pagad in.
3 minutes and 53.
Duran.
3 minutos 53 segundos. Nasasalin niya oras.
Bantok.
Mr. Pablo. Driving to the hole. Nabitawan ng bola. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Pastorong man.
3 minutos 31 segundos. Nasasalin niya oras. Jersey number 6. That's Biong. Pasa sa gilid. 15 to make a shot. Abuga driving to the hoop. Nabitawan ng bola. Dito na jersey number 8.
Traveling.
Traveling violation. 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Anyano.
Anyano.
Left-handed
Yes.
shot.
Easy 2 points.
Nice shot by Anyano.
15 to make a shot. Galvin. Pass to Valerio. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
3 points.
2 points. 2 points. Sorry.
Stepping on the line.
2 minutes and 35. Pass to Biong. 2 minutes and 30. Remaining time. 15 to make a shot. Traveling violation.
Substitution. Datoon in. Abuga out.
2 minutos, 26 segundos.
Gapatin. Biyong out.
Running score. Gis, 8. Pinapuntan.
Pinapundan.
2 points lead. Mr. Gilvio for the open shot. In the front row line. No good. Call it to Gilvio. Jersey number 12. Pass to Blanco. No good. 2 minutes and 10. Jersey number 22. That is Anyano. Out of bounds.
Pastorong.
2 minutos.
Nice follow up by Bagon. Abantok to Datoon. Wala. Nice pass. Time out Pinapundan. Gapati. Anyano. Nice shot by Edwin Abalorio. Number 10 of Salcido. Last 40 seconds, first quarter. For Liga Pate. Tuchong Datoon. Aniano left-handed shot from the left. From the right. Foul. For Liga Pate. Ada lagi tim karate di nawawala. Substitution. Aniano out. Samson in. Last 24 seconds, first quarter. Sir Kelvio. Edwin. 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Kelvio to Yakit. Yes. Nice follow up by Yakit. Last 10 seconds. 5. Time na. That's the end of first quarter. Score. Size G's. This is Size G's. Kinapundan.